Are you struggling to create professional eye-catching designs? Well, don't worry, you're not alone, and in this video, I'm going to share 3 powerful techniques that can instantly improve your design skills, whether you're a beginner or advanced. So let's take a look at a specific design that's just not quite hitting the mark. The first problem is that the designer was not thinking with the end user in mind. After Open Mic Challenge, it's hard to read and understand these other points, and the layout of the images is just confusing. Plus, they're not professional. The second situation is that elements aren't aligned. The circles are sporadically placed, some type is centered, while other is left aligned, and the typefaces are whatever the designer felt like instead of keeping them consistent. So in just 3 quick steps, we're gonna transform this design into something truly eye-catching and professional. But before we get started, I have created a free resource called 6 Exercises to Learn Graphic Design, and you can get that to improve your design skills in the link in the description below. Technique 1. Having a clear focal point to look first is super important in every design, and that falls under hierarchy. Sometimes having too many images, especially at the same size, makes the design amateur and lacks impact that one great image could have. If you only have poor images from a client, professionally done stock images can usually be a better bet. So I took a lady singing and made her the center of attention with some great big type in the background to draw in the viewer. Having a big image and type can really help to contrast smaller information that you're going to place around it. Technique 2. Putting supplementary information around the design in an organized way aligned with other elements helps not draw attention away from the main focal point while still communicating the message intended. It's also important to balance elements, so when you put something in one place, make sure that nothing is thrown off in the other side. This design is symmetrical, but it also applies to asymmetrical layouts as well. Technique 3. A very common mistake is using too many typefaces. In this new design, I only use the sans serif with a contrasting script in one place at the focal point of the design. Have a base typeface and another from a different category to add a nice contrast. So if you chose a serif as your base, then have a sans serif to contrast or a script. So now let's take a look at our new and improved design. So as you can see, these 3 techniques have significantly enhanced the overall quality and appeal of the design. Now, of course, every designer has their own unique creative approach, but the key is to recognize and correct common design mistakes. To help you practice and improve your design skills even more, don't forget to download that free PDF about the 6 exercises to learn graphic design from the link in the description below. And if you're eager to learn more about design, don't forget to check out our playlist on the topic. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on our latest content, and just keep practicing. I'm super confident that you will soon see a dramatic improvement in your design skills if you keep going. So until next time, just keep creating.